What is up mga ka-choknat? Wait, linisin muna natin yung lens ha. We are here at Cappage Terrace and then we're gonna have our team Christmas dinner. My team in Pfizer. It's actually their first time to try Filipino food. So dinala namin sila dito sa Escanita, dito sa may Cappage. Yan, let's go! Ganda pala dito sa Cappage. Ganda. Oh, it's an outdoor setting. So yan, Escanita. Escanita. Oh, sari-sari store, oh, pwedeng mamili. Pagbilan, bawal utang, mahirap maningil. Sa bagay, tama nga naman yun. Pwede magpa-load. Pagbilan. Yeah, Escanita. This is the one. It's a small street. Escanita. It's actually Spanish. It's not Tagalog. Yeah. So we're all here. The team is all here. Julie not yet. So it's the first time that the team's gonna try Filipino food. That's why we brought them here in Escanita. Buti maganda panahon, no? Hindi masyadong mainit. Presto po ngayon mga ka-choknat. Yan. Bango.
Two chicharron bulaklak.
Walang chili dynamite. You better ask, no, I don't eat one.
Yeah, so one in every.
Marami ba siya?
Appetizer.
Good for?
1 to 3.
Never mind na. 2.
Okay. That's why I want this one.
Then,
Tenga, 2. Yeah, tenga.
Dalawang tenga.
Yes. Just ear.
How over prawns?
Ear is so good. Prawns.
Prawns, I want prawns.
Yeah, prawns.
2 prawn, 2 ears, 2 calamari, 2 chicharron bulaklak.
2 each. Okay.
And 1 chili dynamite.
Oh, this one also.
Isa lang?
Okay, 1.
1. Lumpia, 2.
Vegetable or Shanghai?
Both. 2 each. Pork barbecue, 3. Oh, this one only appetizer.
Ate, yung mga, halimbawa,
Good for ilang yung mga ganyan.
Ito mga 2 person.
sige, yun na lang muna. Tapos, pag balik mo na lang, saka kami order ng main.
Okay.
Kasi gutom na sila. Mga ilang minutes.
Mabilis lang yan.
Okay.
Okay, drinks. Nakapasok na yun? Pumasok na sa kitchen.
O, di order na din tayo kung napasok na sa kitchen. Order tayo. Bulalo?
Sige.
Bulalo. Dalawang bulalo. Dalawa ba?
Sige.
Prawn?
Okay. Sinigang.
What's fancy?
Oh, kansi masarap yan. Parang sinigang na na bulalo.
111.
111. It's okay, later you tapaw. Later you tapaw.
And then 1 palabo. And then 111. 111 na muna ha.
So, may pork sinigang din?
Yes. 111.
Yeah.
Already in the kitchen.
What fish eh? We ordered already.
Fish!
Then
This one! The milk fish. Ayun, sold out.
Yeah.
This one, fried tilapia.
Tilapia na lang.
Yeah, fish.
Fried tilapia.
And this
We
one.
also have bangus seafood.
This one. And one chop suey.
Vegetable for Charmaine. Fish also, yeah.
So one tilapia, one chop suey, one kare-kare. Are we going to order lechon kawali?
Yes.
One lechon
Tama
kawali.
kapatan lang.
Oh, sige, pata.
Malaki siya.
Mas malaki siya. Okay, sige.
So, chop na lang. Yung pata.
Okay, paki-chop. Bangus sisig.
One bangus suey.
Yeah, that's also fish. Yeah, that's it. And then, how many rice?
Ay, rice pa lang. Ilang rice?
Ilan ba tayo?
May binagawa na rice kami. Baka gusto nyo i-try. Later na yun. Triple pwede na.
I'm not sure if they like bagoong eh.
Baka hindi. Ngayon na lang kasi baka maumay.
Baka maumay.
12 rice.
So, 12 rice.
Oh, drinks you want?
Ako one pineapple.
That is alcoholic
Baka gusto nyo uminom. May promo kami sa Towers. May Cronenberg na. Sweetened, like naka less $10 din siya. 3 liters.
Or you want to drink beer? No beer.
No beer. Okay.
Are you asking for drinks, right?
Oh, drinks.
2 ginger ale.
Ano bang drinks na Pinoy?
Wala yung mga juices lang meron kami.
Mga juices lang.
Yes, iced tea, blended iced tea.
House blend red iced tea ako.
Ate, tunay bang pineapple juice yun? Or canned lang siya?
Canned lang yun.
Oh, wag yun. Masarap ba tong red iced tea? Okay. Warm. Warm water, warm.
Kahit we have a button butter.
Can you warm it up? No also? Anything warm?
Pero, meron naman kami hindi
Masarap kaya yung red iced tea nila? House blend? Hindi na pineapple juice na.
Pineapple juice daw siya.
pineapple na po. Scan.
Baka lasa ng
Hindi naman.
dishwash.
Oh, may ganun to, totoo. Yung lime juice minsan. What is up mga ka-choknat? The rest of the team are already here. So we're complete. Again, so it's their first time to try Filipino food. I hope they're gonna like it. Eric, Anna actually already ordered everything for the whole team. She actually ordered everything from the menu, everything. Yeah, and then you know we ordered everything from the menu. It's only 600. It's so cheap. We ordered everything from the menu.
Everything.
Only 600.
$600.
Yeah, so cheap.
Do you have budget for 600?
Yeah. I have budget.
How much is the budget? Per pack, how much is the budget?
Main course we already ordered. 5.
We try first.
We try first, let's see later. Yeah.
One order, like 2 to 3 packs.
Okay, so we're gonna see. Meron daw VIP room inside sa loob ng Eskinita. Ayan oh. Sun Miglite! Dapat pala pinatry natin yung Sun Miglite sa kanila, no? Ang maliit lang talaga dito sa loob. At talagang meron talaga kalendaryo ng Tanduay, oh. Ito siya. For ano siya? Glenfiddich. Ito yung VIP room siguro. VIP room. Ang VIP. Hindi kami kasya dito, no? Ito ano kaya to? A dried something. Tapos may bar. Mga drinks. May basketball. Ayan. Meron pang bisikleta. Ito ang sari-sari store. Ayan. VIP. Here comes our appetizer. Woohoo! Barbecue. Sige, ilagay mo sa gitna lang. Yan, Shanghai. Pag-ibig mo, sinta.
Everybody want na yan.
Nice.
Everybody want barbecue here.
Tenga ng daga, mga kachok. Tenga ng daga. Tenga ng ano baboy, mga kachok. So mga kachok na, tapos na po kami kumain. I'm so full, mga kachok na. Look at the table. It's a feast, mga kachok na. And I think they liked it. First time Filipino food. Ang sarap. Cake, mga kachok na. Let's go. Cake and pastries. Sarap. I can feel Christmas already. Oh, it's so Christmassy. Sweet candy, you want? Welcome to Gingy's Kitchen in front of Decathlon. Gingerbread man. Not real. Not real. It's a foam. It's a foam. Not real bread. Yeah, very soft. Wow, nice. Ang ganda dito sa orchard, mga ka-choknat. Nice, with Charmaine. Oh, C502 Express. Bus 502 Express.
Goes to Jurong?
It goes to Jurong East.
Oh, that's how I go back.
Yeah, then it goes to Park Oasis. Park Oasis.
Eva.
Yeah, that one. And it goes ultimately to Bunley interchange. Expressway, it goes to AYE. It goes to IMM.
Behind there.
Yeah, behind. 502.
It doesn't go to Bukit Batu, ah.
It doesn't. So you have to alight at Togwan. Then switch to 170, to 188. Ting ting chung chung chung. Merry Christmas!
One Direction.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Ayun ang Christmas tree! Ah, so cute! Wow! Wow! So beautiful! So beautiful, Aishu! The butt so perky! The butt so perky! Nice! And so white! So white! Yeah, huh? Show off, Luna! Show off, show off!
Luna na so white.
Yeah! Okay! Picture! One more picture here! Picture here! Let's take picture here. Monday, Ellen! Monday! 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 Hi, can you take picture of us? Thank you so much. Maybe wide 0.5.
1.5.
0.5, thank you.
I have that. Okay lah. Okay lah.
One more. Thank you so much. Hey, you want me to take picture of you? With the okay, thank you. Ay, ang ganda! So beautiful!
Oh.
Ah!
I take the whole thing.
Yeah, nice!
Oh, Paragon.
Okay, let's, oh, let's go there! Let's, why not? Come!
No. One more Christmas
We take the Orchard MRT.
tree.
Orchard!
One more Christmas
Okay, bye-bye,
tree.
Calvin! Bye-bye!
Ate, I don't know.
Saan? Sa Paragon. Ayun, another Christmas tree, Asi. All the Christmas tree, we will take picture.
The people getting less and less and less.
Oh yeah. In the picture getting less and less. Alone. Alone. Nike. Oh, sarap lamig. Very shook. Shook. Apple Store. Oh, nice Hilton. May design. We take picture on the Christmas tree.
come across the road.
Cross the road.
When you were in Ireland, it's Christmas like this. A lot of lights.
No, not that much. Still a lot of lights.
But they don't have like a central location where they
Got in the center, got malls.
only the malls.
Only the malls.
But like
Yeah.
the, if you go into like the suburban
No, no.
I thought it's like a traditional food Christmas lights.
But not as grand as here. Yeah. Ang ganda! Paragon, no?
어디 올라? 어디 가서 기분 없어? 기분 없나요?
Nola, cannot. Let's just wait for a while. Hey, come closer, come closer. Stand by, stand by. Okay, our turn. Come, come, come.
Are you sure you can put it?
I'm gonna ask someone to take picture of us.
Maybe just selfie will do.
No, no, it's okay. I can ask someone. Wait, wait. Hi, sir. Excuse me, can you take a picture of us of our group? Thank you so much. What's up? How are you? Yeah. You. Hurry, hurry. One more. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. You want to take a picture of both of you? No need? Okay. Thank you, thank you.
Di ba yan?
Oh, ang ganda. Ay, where's my... so nice, oh, the whole thing, oh, Paragon.
the tree, cannot really see us.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, I go like bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye already?
Okay na yan. Marami na tayong picture. Okay, a lot of picture already.
Then can remove the headband.
We're getting lesser and lesser.
Yeah, let's go home. Let's go home.
Okay, let's go home. Let's go home.
No lah, no, which you can go.
Yeah.
No, not here. What?
Same direction, same
Yeah,
direction.
sure,
Let's
what?
go Orchard. Okay, kayo, no more photo. A lot of
What?
photo already.
Yeah, in front.
We have a lot to submit to Project Infinity.
Good job!
Good job, good job, good job. Hey, the Christmas decor. We have to return to Rin. Oh, your Christmas decor.
Just pass to me, no problem.
Not going to office.
他们明天去
Collect,
要
collect.
哦，then you all put then the rest I can 我 next week 我回去才拿。这样我们啊？明白
Okay.
？Okay.
Merry Christmas. Ho ho ho.
I want to be.
Ah, over there at Paragon. Wow, wow, wow.
Go, let's go. I think not bad. How's the picture?
Okay ah. Okay, I think we're gonna end this video for tonight, mga ka-choknat. Good night, Merry Christmas! Woohoo!